Hello friends, and welcome back to Easy Plant-Based Meals. Today we have a Midwest classic, the Sloppy Joe. Start off with some nonstick spray and about a tablespoon of olive oil. Throw in 2 ribs of celery diced, half of a green bell pepper diced, and a medium onion diced. Saute all of that on medium heat until soft, about 5 to 7 minutes. And when you're done with that, you're going to turn down the heat to low for the next step. Go ahead and add 1.5 cups of veggie broth. You know me, I do water and bouillon. A whole cup of ketchup. 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. A tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, or any vinegar really. A tablespoon of sugar or brown sugar. Tablespoon of chili powder. 1 tablespoon of mustard. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. About 1/2 teaspoon each of both ginger and thyme, and a bit more salt and pepper. And completely optional, but about 1 teaspoon of red pepper flake, as much as you like. Bring the heat up to medium-low and bring it to a simmer. Then add in 1.5 cups of dried TVP. Mix it well, make sure it's all incorporated into the sauce. Cover it and continue to simmer for about 10 minutes. Make sure not to let it get too dry, and then boom, you're done. Throw some of it on a bun, maybe with some pickles, and look, they're called Sloppy Joes for a reason, so don't be shy. I serve these up with roasted veggies and fries. Super easy and delicious. Thanks for watching.